Hi guys, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Building My Empire, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the videos we have made and created over at Roberts Media. Now these are just simple videos where you can put your text, whatever text you want to put in, choose your colours, choose one of 3 backgrounds, and you get these cool neon lights. Now let's have a look at this. Yeah. So I've wrote Roberts Media on them all. Just chose the same similar kind of colours, but you can choose your own. I like that one best, I think. That's like on a brick wall. Same again, that's another one on the brick wall. This is quite good, this one, which says Welcome Roberts Media. Yeah, and that's on a wood wall, and we can do other ones as well, guys, but I just thought I'd show you them, and if you want any, get in contact. Come over to robertsmedia.co.uk and check them out, along with our other designs. So, just a short video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And why I'm showing you these guys is because we create these and then we sell them on. So, if you want to make money online, yeah, start creating videos. Go on to Fiverr, yeah. Make some gigs up, and gigs is like where it's your what you're selling it basically, and when people come and you can showcase what you've made and created, and then hopefully people buy them. Or you can do what we're doing and contact businesses, and yeah, so it's like I said, yeah guys, it's just a quick video. I just wanted to show what we're doing, what I'm doing to build my empire. I'm creating videos, I'm selling them to businesses, I'm selling them on Fiverr and other sites just like Fiverr. And yeah, until next time guys, I'm Jay Roberts, this is Building My Empire, and thank you very much for watching. Until next time guys, goodbye.